Minion Battle, Stage 3. Dun, 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 dun. They wanted to have a tiebreaker. I said, are you sure? Isn't it better that everybody feels happy?
No!
Everybody gets one game. We're all happy, right?
We don't
Triple diagonal.
We don't
Red.
like happy.
Really? Do you have to put your hand in front of me?
Well, I'm trying to put some pieces in there, you know?
Why don't you sit to this side then? Dun, 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 dun. It's like sound effects pretty good. Boom, 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 always with the black on the wings.
Because
It's not a bad idea. I'm just saying that's your modus. That's your modus operandi.
Oh no!
Wow, triple vertical, smackdown, totem pole style. Some horrible commentary.
What are you talking about? But that's what's wrong.
She just put the lid on it. She just put the lid on it. That's what she says. I'm putting the lid on this one. Wow. Control for the center column in full force right now. Neutralize. Yeah, you got to neutralize that. Otherwise, she's going to take 4 to 2 on the center column. That forces her. That gives her a better advantage in the later stages of the game. But now it doesn't. Now you're like even.
No! I don't know where to go.
Whoa.
Oh, whatever.
This is some head-to-head, good heads-up, head-to-head play, man. We're talking about mano a mano, capo de tu de capo. That's actually not even right. That's like the head of the head.
Oh, the terror. Why am I not going here? Why am I not going there?
You got only 3 choices left anyway. That column, or that column.
Pick
the one that works.
Okay.
Which one gives you the greatest potential to win? That's the question. It's always about which one gives you the greatest potential. Place it in the place with greatest potential.
This could be.
That's not bad. So far there have been no bad moves. No blatantly bad moves. You stole that! Do you realize what happened right there? Okay, take these last 2 pieces out because there's a little bit of commentary necessary. Take that out. And Aubrey, take the other one.
Take this one?
Aubrey dizzle.
Oh. Nice one.
Hey, check this out, alright? Heather, no. Heather put this chip in. And I thought, why would she put that chip in there? She just filled in a 2-1 split trap door. She loses. But then Tigerlily puts it here instead of the win. That was lucky on Heather. Erica's part right there, man. We're talking about craziness. You got, she was a chess door. You could have won here, and instead you go here, and she wins in her own in that like risky move. That was just like, and that's right after I said nobody's made any bad moves yet.
Yeah, nobody
then Erica dropped the move right here. That's a bad move, but that's a bad move. And then comes the one last good move there, which is the win. Good job. Good game.
Good.
Oh, wait, Minion Battle. Dong, 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 down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Here, shoot him through the leg. He's like coming. He's looking, peeking too. Wonder what's on the other side. Ah!
What? Did Heather win? Did Heather win?
Oh, well, that's dramatic. Okay. That's getting very dramatic.